This is a testament that Kikifoodies recipe is recipe. Omo, I've been making oil rice, but you see this one, it's on another level. Stay with me, let's do this together. So this is our crayfish, our sand leaf, our bell peppers for pepper mix, our seasoning, the pepper, the oil, the rice, and this is our prawn from Omeje. This prawn now is from Omeje River, and this is our salt, our omo, and that's all. That's not all though, I brought more pepper. So as you already know, I'm allergic to goat meat. I know they like goat meat, so I'm replacing my the goat meat with cow skin. Goat meat they do me somehow for body, but that doesn't mean that if you give me I no go chop. I know they encourage food wastage at all. Since they born me, I never hear about almost stock. But now waiting me go they used today. Bear with me, as we know they chop goat meat now. Waiting you want me with? I bet Kokoma adds more salt to the rice and just do it front and back like I'm doing it like this. We'll later switch over to this pot. I don't know who give me the idea like say I get that advice from madman. Thinking say I go use that pan cook the rice like this, the thing no work, it no make sense, so I got to transfer it to the main pot and continue cooking. That thing you're seeing inside is not bomo. It's not bomo. Your eyes is deceiving. It's not bomo. Our bomo is already done. Our bomo, we don't set them aside. So it is about to go down, 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 down. Hey, about to go down way. Daddy me. So it is time to add in your oil. It is time to fry. This is my best time in anything that have to do with frying. So I add in enough palm oil. Enough. Then we'll be adding in our onion. We'll be adding in some onion. I mean enough onion. Yeah. For some people you can add a little. For those that love onions like me, add enough. I bake. Add enough. So this is our iru. Add your iru and as usual and stir. Okay, let me be normal. Just for 5 seconds, I promise. Okay, just stir fry. And then we're adding our crayfish powder. Me and crayfish again, but don't worry, like this one, it's at the right, like it's hitting everything that is meant to hit. Like this one slaps hard. This one is good. Like now I see why Kikifoodies over 1 million subscribers. So, and this particular video, it be like say you get over 3 million views. She's sabi and big. And me now, I say Zibo, I just they try they follow waiting they talk for Samo 1522 Abi. I just they obey, unlike others. I just they obey. They say make I get you, if na no man I go rush go get obey. So she said that we should wait till our tomatoes spoil very well, like it changes to dark. You can see the transition back. Yes, normally people can really see it with your eyes. Now it's time to add in your seasoning, like the one of your choice. Me normally no ambassador Abibo. No people they no one recognize me, so no man Jerry, I still love my no. And that thing made this inside that momo you be rice. Okay, you shall don't catch me. I have to add in the momo to the rice to cook more because it was not properly done. It was still somehow hard, so I got to put it in there to cook more so that it will actually bring out more stock. I never hear of almost stock of me I do one today, and it's in the test nice. Me I know go lie. It is time. Okay, it is time, guys. Time to add in and combine all the goodness. Remember, we have some salt inside our rice already, so be careful. Be careful. Anyasa. So we just have to stir, 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 stir. She even said we should stir fry, and I did that. Like, this is my first time like trying to stir fry my oil rice, and me no go lie, you just try it. Like all these boys with the kitchen, all these boys, sabi their auntie. They just they shout up and down, shout up and down. They don't know say an angry man is an angry man. So no, sorry, hungry man is an. I don't say hunger day, anger day. So me self, I just they comport myself. Man, no bite person finger. They just they ask me to it. Just they talk up and down. My man just did the food. I just they pray, say God, when this food go done. But this one didn't take me much time. Like, didn't take much time. Honestly, that was one thing I actually loved about the dish. You still they watch at this point, you never like, you never subscribe, you never share. No. Anything what I do, you beg forgive me. Make I no suffer for the sins of my ancestors. Support your gay. Like the video. Share this video. So it's time to add our veggies, guys. It's time to add our veggies, and right now everything is actually coming together. Everything is making sense. Like one guy just is speaking tongues for background. The color was coloring. The color was coloring. Ask my Ghanaian friends, they will tell you the color is popping. Like, everything is just banging. I just come on cap for Kiki. I gave her flowers. Like, so let me know your thoughts in the comments. Will you be trying this? Will you be comparing the dish? Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.